What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Bino99. I'm back at it again with another video, and of course got the scissors on deck, and we got the box right here as well too. But why don't we get right to it with the boxing, and yeah, let's go. Woo! Y'all see this? Y'all see this, man? Woo-hoo. Damn, it even says the name too and all that. That's crazy. Look at that. We got that. We got a second red Air Jordan 1 box. Let's see what it is. Woo, man. Y'all see the wrap on this? Like, look at this. Y'all see the wrap? It says limits like fairness. Well, actually it says limit like fairness are often just an illusion. And I think I know which pair this is. Oh my gosh. Y'all sent me this? Y'all for real? Are y'all for real? Look at this. I finally got them. I finally got this pair. Let's go, man. Let me remove this shoe tree right here. Look at this. Look at this. Fear. We got the fearless UNC to Chicago ones, man. Look at that patent leather. Like, look at this. This is really amazing. Like the work of it, like the timing and everything, the patience of making this pair. Like, it's glistening. Like, it's mad smooth. The bottom is really, the bottom's beautiful, but we don't care about the bottom. The tongue is like, it's just so beautiful. Even the tag, I rock with the tag. And it comes with 3 different kinds of laces. Of course, red, white, and blue. Will y'all get the joke what I'm trying to say? And it comes with a card as well. And of course, the paper comes with the card. Comes with this. So Fear is basically a collaboration. It's a company that they collaborate with the Air Jordan brand to solidify a pair like this. It has that Jordan 1 emblem, that embroidered Jordan 1 emblem right here. And let me check out this other pair right here too as well. This pair is really dope, man. Like, really dope. Like, I know for some people who have this pair, gotta be like, damn, I really gotta show these shoes appreciation. Look how shiny they are. Like, this shoe is really amazing. Like, I can't even tell if this is bright or dark, but like, whatever the ring light is doing, keep doing your thing, ring light. You're doing a good job making these shoes look beautiful. Like, look at this pair. Look at this. This pair is really beautiful. I love them. I'll have to give it a 9.5. Now, I know what you're saying. A 9.5 is like, what? You gotta give it a 10 out of 10. Like, nah, I'm being fair for this pair because I've seen people talk about this pair a lot. I've seen multiple wear on their feet a lot. I've seen people even trade their pair for this, or even trade this pair for another pair. So, interior, I love how the interior design looks. I'm gonna remove this. Looks right here. Fear right here as well. And it just looks really amazing. Looks really dope, man. I can't thank the plug for sending me these. For real. I really can't thank him enough for sending me this. This pair is really dope, man. Shout out to y'all for sending me these. I really appreciate it a lot. Like, it's dope. It's really dope. And I don't see nothing wrong with this. I don't see anything off that I would recognize or nothing. And of course, if it has a widow's peak on this shoe, that's totally normal. Again, that's totally normal. So for anyone that's like, yo, that's not real, this and that, if it has a widow's peak, don't listen to what people say. No, go online, do your research, and it'll tell you. It's on retail as well too. I have it on my Jubilee 11s. I also have it on my Starfish 13s as well. So there you go. It's on retail pairs as well. But enough said than that. What y'all think about these? Do y'all rock with them? Do y'all mess with them or not? Like, let me know in the comment section down below. But enough said than that. Why don't we get to this on foot review and go from there? Deuces.